Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this blowing bubbles hack on Dress to Impress. Wait a minute, there you go, there it is. So you will need 3 items, which is the microphone, these earrings, and the crown. So let's start with the microphone. The microphone is here. Okay, it's here. And you can color it to whatever color you want, but I just colored this pink. And then for the adjustments, position the X at 0.71, Y 0.51, Z 0.4. Rotate the Y to 0.56. Then grab these earrings here, color it to whatever you want again. And then for this one, position the X at 0.49, Y 0.46, Z 0.48, and rotate the Y to 0.6. and scale it to 0.55. Then you'll need the seashell crown. If you don't have it, I have a tutorial on this channel, I think, on how to get it. So I'm just going to go here, get the crown, which is this one here, toggle the VFX toggle, and then you don't need to color it. I actually did not color anything at all, but you can maybe color like the lighting if you want. I actually don't know like the difference. I don't think you can actually, but position the X to 0.52, Y 0.53, Z 0.54, rotate the Y to 0.58, the Z to 0.33, and scale it all the way to 0. Again, for the crown, position the X to 0.52, Y 0.53, Z 0.54, rotate the Y to 0.58, the Z to 0.33, and scale it to 0. And that is how you can get this blowing bubble effect on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!